Hi students, if you're new to my channel, I am Divya. I will be teaching 10th class mathematics. Today we will be solving exercise 4.1 question 2 from the chapter Quadratic Equations. If you have missed watching my previous videos, I will put all the links in the description box below. So let's get started. So let us see the second question. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. So we have few word problems. So we need to represent this in the form of quadratic equations. Okay. So the first question is, the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Okay. So first let us assume the length and breadth of the plot to be x and y. Okay. Now see here. Area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. We know area of a rectangle. So what is area of a rectangle? That is L into B. That is, here L length we have taken it as x and breadth we have taken it as y. Okay, that is x into y. So what is area of a rectangular plot? That is 528. Okay. Now see the question. The length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. So length of the plot. So what is the length of the plot? That is x. So x is equals to, the length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. So we have taken breadth as y, right? So twice its breadth is nothing but 2y. Okay, 2y, and it is one more than twice its breadth. So we will add 1 to it. So substitute this x value in this equation. Okay, substitute it here. So you will get 2y plus 1 into y is equals to 528. That is 2y square plus y is equals to 528. See the question. We need to represent the following situation in the form of a quadratic equations, right? So we will take this 528 to LHS, which becomes 2y square plus y minus 528. In the RHS, you will have 0. Okay. So this is in the form of a quadratic equation. So you can write this is the required quadratic equation. Okay, clear? So let us see the second question. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. So let us solve the question. What are consecutive integers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Right? These are continuous numbers. Correct? They are consecutive integers. This is 2. After 2, if you want the number 3, you can take it as 2 plus 1. Right? And if you want the number 4, you can take it as 2 plus 2. And if you want the number 5, which is 2 plus 3. Correct? So, you will get 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to find the product of two consecutive integers. So let us assume, let two consecutive integers be So these are the two consecutive integers that we have assumed, right? So now we need to find the product of these two consecutive integers, that is x into x plus 1. So the product of these two consecutive integers is 306. Now multiply x plus 1 with x, which is x square plus x is equals to 306. So we need to represent this situation in the form of a quadratic equation, right? So now let us get this 306 to LHS, which becomes x square plus x minus 306, which is equals to 0, right? Now this is in the form of a quadratic equation. So you can write this is a required quadratic equation. Okay, clear? Now let us see the next question. So this question is related to age. Okay. So see the question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. So we would like to find Rohan's present age. So let us solve this question. So here we need to find the Rohan's present age, right? So let us assume Rohan's present age to be x. So see the question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Okay. So Rohan's mother's age will be, if Rohan's present age is x and Rohan's mother's age will be x plus 26. Okay, because she is 26 years older than Rohan. Now see here, the product of the ages 3 years from now will be 360. 3 years from now will be after 3 years, right? So 3 years from now. 3 years from now will be after 3 years. Okay. So after 3 years, what will be the Rohan's age? Rohan's age will be x plus 3, right? This is the present age and you will be adding 3 years. Okay. And Rohan's mother's age will be, so this is x plus 26 is Rohan's mother's age. You will also add plus 3. Okay. Which will become x plus 29. Clear? Now see the question. Product of their ages, which is 360. That is x plus 3 is Rohan's age and x plus 29 is her mother's age. Okay, which is equals to 360. So now let us multiply them. X into x is x square. X into 29 is 29x. And 3 into x is 3x. 29 into 3 is 87, which is equals to 360. Okay. So we need to represent it in a quadratic equation form. So let us get this 360 to LHS, which becomes minus 360. Okay. So that is x square plus 29 and plus 3, which is plus 32x, plus 87 minus 360 is equals to 0. So the final required quadratic equation is x square plus 32x minus 273 is equals to 0. So this is a required quadratic equation. Okay, clear? Let us see the next question. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to reach the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So see the question. A train travels at a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. So the train is traveling at a distance of, so what is the distance? Distance is 480 kilometers, right? At a uniform speed. So we don't know the speed of the train. So we need to find the speed of the train. So let us assume the speed of the train to be x, okay? Let speed of the train be x kilometer per hour, okay? So see the question again. If the speed had been 8 kilometers less. Now the train speed has been reduced. So what is the new speed of the train, which is 8 kilometers less than the previous speed. So we have taken the speed of the train to be x, right? Now the new speed, let us take it as speed 2. Okay. So what is speed 2? Speed 2 is 8 kilometers less. So original speed is x, then it is x minus 8. X minus 8 kilometers per hour. So see here, the time taken by the train in the first scenario, if you take it as t1, okay. So when you reduce the speed of the train to 8 kilometer per hour, okay, in the second scenario, it would take 3 hours more to cover the same distance. That is, time taken in the second scenario, it is 3 hours more than the first time. Okay, that is T2 will be T1 plus it is 3 hours more than the first time. Clear? So see here once again, T2 is the new time when you are lessing the speed of the train. So when you are lessing the speed of the train by 8 kilometers per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more to reach the same destination. That is, in the first scenario, train is taking T1 time. So in the second scenario, it is taking 3 hours more to reach the same distance. Okay. That is the reason I have taken T2 is equals to T1 plus 3. So here we know the time formula, that is distance by speed. So for the first scenario, that is T1, what is the distance? Distance is 480. 480 by speed is x. Okay. And for the second scenario, that is time T2, distance is same, which is 480. And what is the speed? The speed is x minus 8, which is the new speed. So let us substitute these both in this one, which is T2 equals to T1 plus 3. So T2 is equals to T1 plus 3. What is T2? T2 is 480 by x minus 8 is equals to T1 is 480 by x plus 3. Let us get this to LHS. So which becomes 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equals to 3. Okay, now let us take the LCM, which is x into x minus 8. Here you will get 480x minus, here you will get x will get cancelled. So you will get 480x minus of minuses plus 480 into 8 is 3840. Okay, is equals to 3. So see here, 480x minus 480x will get cancelled. So you will have 3840 by x into x minus 8 is equals to 3. Let us do cross multiply. You will get 3840 is equals to 3x into x minus 8. Now let us multiply it with this. So which becomes 3840 is equals to 3x square minus 24x. So let us get this 3840 to RHS, which is 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equals to 0. Let us take 3 common. You will get x square minus 8x. This will be 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 eights are 24 and 0. Okay, is equals to 0. So therefore the required quadratic equation will be x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equals to 0. Okay, clear? So please do practice all the questions and let me know if you have any difficulty in practicing them. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.